Hello and welcome to another update video about Cosmos. Cosmos Atom is probably still in this correction. I view the chart as wave 1 to the upside, so that the price development here of the June low to the September high is a wave 1. However, it looks very corrective. You have a lot of overlaps. That makes me think that we're dealing here with a larger diagonal pattern which will unfold in 5 waves. However, the subwave structure is corrective. Okay, so that means the wave 1 was a correction, the wave 2 was a correction, the wave 3 should be a correction as well in an A, B, C structure. Then we should get a 4 and a 5. Bear in mind, this is a less likely count. It is less reliable because in any diagonal you deal with corrective wave structures. So that is why I'm not so convinced about this setup. Again, it doesn't really matter if I'm convinced or not. The market decides. The market is the boss. We can currently see a lot of indications that this support might hold because we're holding the $10 level. We see declining volume, which is typical towards the end of such a correction. If we were seeing increasing volume again, while the price is going down, it would rather indicate that the downtrend is accelerating. But you can see that volume has constantly been coming down since March. And therefore, the chances, I think, are certainly there that the support is going to hold. Now, it's never guaranteed, is it? We just need to be aware of it. For me, the $9.96, so basically $10 level, is very important. It is the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement of the A wave. And this could be an important support level for the B wave. Now, the small problem we have with this idea is that within the B wave, I'm counting a WXY structure. The problem is that the Y wave is probably running out of space soon. What is a Y wave? A Y wave consists of an A, B, C structure, and the C wave as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and maybe one more low in a wave 5. But it's not really coming down, so it's very, very flat. I mean, on one side, this is a good thing because it means that the sellers are getting exhausted, the buyers are buying it up, but it's very, very flat. So basically, the market, again, hasn't made up its mind yet. Unfortunately, we're in this situation at the moment in the crypto space everywhere. The good news is we're very close to support, so reward to risk is really good. Yeah, because below 996, I think this setup is going to fail. It always has another chance to turn around, for example, here at 853, which is basically the invalidation point. So I call 996 the level below which probabilities are going to reduce that this AB setup is going to work out. If we go below $8.50, it is formally invalidated. And what would happen then? Well, there would be one more bullish setup left. I can still make it work as to understand this move as an A wave, a B wave, and a larger C wave to the downside, or even WXY. The problem is then that the wave 2 correction here wasn't finished, but it will reset to over here, which would mean we need to revise the overall wave count. Yeah, so basically here, this is the correction, not just this and then an A, B, C, but we just see a deeper correction, which means we have to recalculate the Fib levels. And that means there is one more chance for it to turn around as per the Fib levels that are reliable at 795. Any sustained break below 795 is most likely going to lead to new bear market lows below the $5.60 level. So that is the last reliable support I have. However, not in the scenario that you see on the screen right now. It would be the alternative bullish scenario. But just be aware that below 795, there is no reliable support left. The only thing, that is still, I think, to mention is that the movements to the downside have been very corrective. So all of the moves here that you can see to the downside, they have been characterized by overlapping price action. From a chart point of view, from a price structure, price action point of view, that tells me that there is a good chance that this is just a correction to the downside. Yeah, which should result here in an impulse to the upside, in this case a C wave. But overall, just be aware that this is a less reliable chart due to the corrective nature of the subwaves in all waves, and that this would only work as a diagonal pattern. So diagonal patterns are less reliable. That's just the nature of them. However, at the moment, we are holding support, and as long as we're holding support, we can focus on higher. 795 is the last reliable bullish support I have, and it just needs a bit more patience now. But as I said, the next low could be the last one. However, it's just that we haven't seen any sign yet that the price is turning around. Okay, that's my update about Cosmos Atom. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.